Hey guys, it's me Mia from Seven Different Twins. Well, not anymore. Everybody's asking me when I'm quitting. The reason why is because I am a dancer. I am a gymnastic. I know I'm a dancer too, but I can't handle this. I can't handle this. We haven't started in weeks. Guys, people are saying I'm probably, and I probably am. So, and this is what this is your decision. Do you want 7 dancing twins to go out of business, or do you want 7 dancing twins to go on? Vote for me to stay in, or vote for me to stay out. 4 votes, up to 4 votes, I get in. I stay in. Up to 5 votes, I get out. I mean, up to 2 votes, I get out. And I'm gonna really miss you guys. If you're so funny. So basically, I'm just gonna show you something nothing. Okay, so right now I'll be showing you guys like a handstand. Okay, so my head handstand because. Oh, sorry, my camera. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm really bad. So I'll try to do a copy. Sorry. Okay, this is some of my dance moves. Basically, it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching your feet, bring me out the dark. Finally, I can feel the so clear. Go ahead, tell me now. So here's some of my favorite. I got a ticket for the long way round. To buy a ticket for the way. I'm not sure I will like such a company. I'm leaving tomorrow with the say. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me from my head. Where you're gonna see when I'm gone. Thank you for watching, and I hope I get the same someday with you. Bye.